beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Yommycrochetlogy brand of Yommycrochetlogy. So today we will be talking about yarns. Yum! I love yarns. So we will be talking about yarns. I have here at the back the parcels and boxes of stuffs that I got from local shops and also from international shops. So they're all yarns and some accessories and hooks. So I will be showing you guys what's inside of those boxes and parcels, and we will enjoy the beautiful yarn gradient cakes and all those yarns that every crocheter enjoy. Okay, so I've got 2 bags from Hobbii, I've got a big box from Spotlight, and I've got yarns for all, and also I've got them from Bendigo, which is also another shops here in Australia. I would like to emphasize to everyone that this is not a sponsored video. This is not a partnership video. This is solely all from my pocket or my husband's pocket. This is all purchased by me, and no way it's sponsored by all these shops here. I just bought this from these shops because they are one of the best so far. They're one of the shops that I like. That's why I purchased from them. That's why they're here right now, and we're doing an unboxing, opening all those parcels because I love those shops. Also, if you stay till the end of this video, I think I'll have a surprise for you that you might like. Okay, so I'll be asking some opinions and questions to you at the end of this video, and stay tuned. So I have here 2 tiny parcels. They are hooks. Okay, so let's start with the fancy hook that I've got from the Philippines. So that's the packaging. It's a black matte finish box. Beautiful. It's a resin. Is that how you say it? Resin hook. Got it from the Philippines in a shop called Stitch and Witch. So this is what it looks like. Some beautiful resin hooks with different colors in each different sizes. Okay, so from the smallest to the biggest size. Also, I will link her page in the description box below if you're interested. I ordered the entire set, but unfortunately they're out of stock, which send me spiraling and hurts my brain. Okay, first is I've got this red Etimo Tulip hooks, and the sizes that I've got here is 2.75 and 1.8. okay, so there's actually 3 of them, but I already used the one. This is the one that I use, which is 3.75, and this one is 1.8 and 2.75. and I cannot wait to use this. I've already used the other one. That's why I can tell you and I can guarantee that this is one of the best hooks you can possibly see or find in the market. It's just like Royce Royal, is it how you say it? Royce Royal of crochet. These ones here is another Etimo Tulip hooks, pink or rose, not pink but rose. So these are the sizes that I've got. I've got 3, I've got 2 and 4. Okay, I've got it right. Again, they're amazing. I haven't used the pink yet. I've used the red one because the first time I opened the red one, I was using a black yarn, and red is good for black or dark yarns. Like, it's so exciting to actually open all these beautiful goodies for all crocheters. So I've got this. I ordered the ones with the entire sizes, but it's out of stock. That's why I've got another tiny ones in the red ones because I just want to try them. So I've got this set. This one here is sizes 5 and 5.5 and 6. These are the sizes, okay? And the packaging at the back, this is what it looks like. And it has a little pouch just saying that if you guys want me to do an in-depth review for this one, I would love to do so. So yeah, maybe stay tuned, I will do that. So these are the hooks that I've got. So the next parcel that we will open is from Bendigo. So Bendigo is actually a shop from Australia, Victoria if I'm not mistaken. But before I'll show you the yarn, I will show you guys the thing that they included in my parcel. They sent me this 2020 shade card. This is from Bendigo. it's a swatches of yarn. So they sent me a swatches. So this is the swatches of yarn that you can get or see in their shops. Okay, so they have two cards here. This is wool and this is cotton. Okay, so as you can see, the wool is thicker. The cotton is only 2 page because they are a shop that specializes in wool. I'll show you first the ones that says wool. This is what it looks like. We've got all these swatches, these beautiful swatches. Okay. They have all these names here, different colors. Of wool. These are wools. This is the kind of wool that is, and all these colors. And the second one is classic 8-ply, and these are the shades that are available in this classic 8-ply. Look at all the shades. Wow. And they also have classic 2, 3, 5, 8, and 12-ply. Different classic. See? And these are the shades that are available in this 2, 3, 4, 5, and 12-ply. Okay. And they have rustic 8 and 12-ply, Bendigo tweed 8-ply. So again, these are the shades that are available in the rustic range. Okay, so beautiful, isn't it? Look at how different they are from the classic. Okay, you can really tell that they are different yarns, different waves and different texture. Okay, and that's the rustic. So I think in my preferences, I like the luxury one. This one. Okay. They have a cotton. It's not as thick as the wool. And ta-da! Wow, look at the cotton. So these are the shades that you get in the cotton. Okay, so 100 pure % cotton. So yeah, so we're done with the swatches. Now that you've seen the swatches from Bendigo, first is I've got these 2 yarns from Bendigo. Okay, it's socked yarn, multicolored socked yarn, and I already have a project for this. So every yarn that you see here, I have already a designated project for the upcoming videos that you will be seeing in my channel. Another 2 yummy yarns. Okay, so these are luxury wools. So this is what the luxury wools look like. Okay, so I've got these 2 shades here, and they're beautiful, aren't they? Oh my god. And it is made in Australia. This is an Australian yarn. So the next shop is again from local in Australia, Yarns for All. This is how they pack their yarns, with a brown paper and a tag. This is the bag. Also, they have a mesh bag. So let's see what I've got here. Yarn art dual chain. So this is what I've got in the first one. And this one is 100 gram or a 20 meter. It's made in Turkey. So it's micro polyester. Okay. So it's from Turkey, but the shop is from Australia, Yarns and All. So this is the first one I've got from them. It's actually really velvety. So I've got this Elise. Is that how you say the name of this yarn, Elise? Okay, so it's really beautiful. Look at this yarn. How beautiful is that? It's silky, isn't it? There are 4 of these. So 4 of these yarns. I already have a project for this. Last one that we've got from Yarns and All. It's still in Elise. Is that how you say it, Elise? And this one is Cotton Gold. The one before is Diva, and this one is Cotton Gold. Still Elise, and then oh, these 2 are different shades. It's gradually changing its color. The last thing I've got from Yarns for All, I've got a stitch markers. So our next shop is again still from Australia. This one is is Spotlight. This is one of my favorite shops, Spotlight. Okay. So this is what I've got from Spotlights. There's a box full of yarns. So, okay, let's see. Let's put them here so you guys can see. And I've got these two kinds. This is the Mercerized cotton yarn that I already used in my channel before with a different shade, different colors. One is color is natural. This is 100% Mercerized cotton. Okay, 50 gram. The size of the hook that is suggested in this yarn is 3.25 millimeter hook. I've got this kind of yarn. This one is a polyester, 78 polyester and acrylic. Suggested hook is 4.5 millimeters. I've got a black one because I was making a doll and I was hoping to use this. Next one is I've got these yarns, okay? I have different colors of this yarn in pastel. I've got gray, I've got pink and purple, and also I've got green. So this one are pastel. So this yarn is a 50 gram yarn, and this is a yarn suitable for baby. They're cotton and they're very good for the skin of the baby that are sensitive. It has a pattern at the back for fun project. Okay, they include fun pattern for at the back, and this is 3.25 millimeter focus. They're on sale, so they're filling my boxes with all these yarns. They're on sale, so they're only like $1 each. They're all the same. Like if you try to, you know, dig deep, they're just the same yarns, these ones. And this one here, it's birch really yarn. What it looks like, 80% bamboo and 20% wool. Like it, approximately 95 meter. Let's proceed to the shops from international, or the ones that ships around the globe. Let's see what kind of yarn I've got here. So first, I've got this one, Cotton King cones. As you can see in my channel, this is one of my favorite yarn. I've been using this kind of yarn in most of my projects, including the ones that I'm wearing. Okay, so this is the yarn that I use for this Ravenclaw top, but in different color obviously. This is 500 grams, so there's lots of things you can make in just one cone. And the strands is amazing. Wow. Whirl cotton whirls pastilio. So I've got two of that. I think I've got more than that. I've got all this great and beautiful yarn. 200 grams, and the suggested size yarn is 3 to 4 millimeter. Another one is again a Cotton King in different colors. This is the colors that I've got. It's beautiful, isn't it? I like it. It's really beautiful. It's really big. It's 800 meter or 400 grams. So imagine all the things you can make with this thing. And I've got these tiny ones, twisters. They're called twisters. Okay. Twister solid is a 45% acrylic, 55% cotton, 100 grams, which is 400 meters. So this is what it looks like. So I always get yarns or 2 balls of yarns in each color, just in case that I will not run out. I've got 2 bags from Hobbii, and this is the second one. Well, again, I've got another of the color, same twister solid. I'm kind of obsessed with nude or natural colors or natural shade because I'm trying to make a collection for summer that is neutral colors, or at least, you know, like earthly tones. This one is baby blue and a coral. So again, I have this Cotton King in different colors. Oh, I like it so much. This is cotton, so they're amazing. And I've got this bamboo, 2 tiny ones. Bamboo tencel, bamboo fine. It's made of bamboo, I think. 40% tencel and 60% bamboo, so it's made of bamboo. And then the needle or hook, its suggested size is 3.5 millimeter. Beautiful, look at that, it's shiny. See that? It's shiny, it's really shiny. Imagine all the beautiful top that you can make for this. So I think that's the end of my hobby. No more. Those are the yarns that I've got. So some of them actually have a project meant for them. Some will go my giveaway as a thank you for hitting 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we are 1,000 in this channel. thank you so much for joining me since the day one. So I will handpick some of those yarn, put it in my giveaway basket, and few weeks I will build my giveaway because I want it to be special. The giveaway, something that describe my channel and you. Stay tuned for that because that's for you as a thank you. So some of those yarns will go into that giveaway, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of yarn you usually worked with and why. Because in my case, I use cotton because they're lightweight and they're not itchy. Also, they're suitable for the projects that I make because I live in a place where it's tropical. It's not really appropriate for me to use a wool and make it into a beanie, and it's so hot here. So of course I prefer projects that's, you know, something like this, like singlet, crop tops, because that's what it is suitable in my weather condition, and cotton is the best thing to use instead of wool. It's hot to wear wool in a summer place. Okay, so that's why I am into cotton. So thank you so much for staying with me. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button with a bell so you will be notified for our next videos. And of course, give it a thumbs up or a like. Also comment below the yarns that you like and the project that you will be making in that yarn. And if you are my avid subscriber since day one, thank you so much guys for staying with me as always. And it's so amazing that we are 1,000 already. Yay! So that's all for today. I think I can wrap up the video and say goodbye, and yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much and hope to see you again sometime next week. Bye.
I know we got something good.